Hello and welcome. Congratulations on your new website. Before you start using it, there are few important security steps that we strongly recommend. This step will help you protect your website from hackers, prevent unauthorized access, and ensure you always have a backup if something goes wrong. Don't worry, I will guide you through everything step by step. First, let's log in to the WordPress dashboard. So for this, you have to write /wp-admin after your domain. Then hit enter, and then you will see the option for username or email and password. Let's log into the dashboard. This is your WordPress dashboard. The first thing we recommend is changing the administration email. So for this, if you go to the settings and then general, here you can see the administration email address. This email is used for password reset, important WordPress notification, and security alert. So replace it with an email address that only you control. So I am using this email address. Let's put it here and then save changes. Here you can see a notification. There is a pending changes of the admin email to this email address. Now if I check my email, see there is a new email. If I click it, here you can see to confirm these changes, please click on the following links. Just click on the link, then see it's already changed and this is the new administration email address. Then the next step is create your own administration user. So if I go to the users, see this is the previous users, and now if you want to add your own administrator email, then click on this button, add user. Then here you can put your username like my own user, and then for email let's use the same email address. You can skip first name, last name, and for password please make sure to put a strong password, or you can use the password generated by WordPress by default. So I am putting this. Make sure to save the password on your computer anywhere, and then make the user administrator and then add user. Now that you have confirmed your new administrator account is working correctly, see here is the new administrator account. Now you can safely remove this other administrator access. So for this you have to first log out like this and then log in with the new administrator user that you just created like this, and the new password and login. Now if you go to the user and then here you can see the option for delete, just delete it and then select the option attribute all content to the new user that you created for yourself, then confirm. Now you are the only person this website have the access. Also you are the owner of the website as well. The next step is create a backup. Before you make any changes to your website, it always a good idea to create a backup of your website. So for this let's install a plugin, go to plugin and then add plugin. You can search all in on and then enter. This is the plugin all in on WP migration and backup. Just install this plugin and activate it. Then if you go to the WP all in on migration and then the backup, create backup. It will take some time. Here you can see the backup. If I close it, please make sure to download this backup on your computer. Now the next step is to install a security plugin. For this I will select the Wordfence plugin. Wordfence is one of most trusted security plugin available for WordPress. So let's install the Wordfence plugin. Go to plugin, add plugin. Here search for Wordfence. Install the plugin and then activate it, just like this. Then you have to activate the Wordfence license. So click on this button, get your Wordfence license. For now I will select the free license, but if you want a strong security for your website, you can purchase this paid license as well. So let's start with the free license and then select this option. I am okay waiting 30 days for protection from new threat. Click it, then put your email address, then select this button yes, and then select this one as well, then register. Then you have to check your email. Here you can see the new email from Wordfence. Click it and click this button, install my license automatically. See, just click it, install license. See, congratulations, Wordfence free is now activated on your website. Sounds good. Now click on this button, go to dashboard, and then here you can see an option. Do you want Wordfence to stay up to date automatically? So you have to select it, yes, enable auto update. Then to make your site as secure as possible, take a moment to optimize the Wordfence web application firewall. So click here to configure. Click it and then you have to download this file and then continue. So installation successful, and then you have to click on this option, brute force protection, then log out after how many login failure. I will select it 5 times. Same for log out after how many forgot password attempt. You can select it 5 as well. Then save changes. Okay, now you have to go to the option for login security. Here we will add the two-factor authenticator. Two-factor authenticator add an extra layer of protection to your website. Even if someone learn your password, they will be not able to log in without the authentication code from your mobile device. So scan the QR code using Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator or any other capable authenticator app. So let me do it from my mobile. You can do it by your mobile. There is a plus icon in Google Authenticator. Click on that plus icon on your phone. you will see an option for scan a QR code. I am scanning this QR code, and now I can see the code in my phone, which is 946845, and then active. Now you can download some recovery code if you are not able to access your phone somehow. Then you can use this recovery code to log in. Now the Wordfence two-factor authentication is activated, and now let me show you how it will work. If I log out and let's log in with the same login. So we have to use the new login that we created. See, it's asking for the code. Now I can see the code is 277034. See, the login is confirmed, but it requires the authentication code. So it is an extra layer of protection for your website. Then the next step is to change the login URL. So for this we will use another plugin. This is called WPS Hide Login. So go to the plugin, add plugin, search for WPS Hide Login, and then install it and active it. And now if I go to the settings, here you can see you can put your custom login, like I will put MCMK, and let's remember it, or you can copy it somewhere so you can remember. And if I make save changes and let's log out again, go to the website. First I show you that when you write /wp-admin, you will access your login page, but it will not work anymore. See, now you have to write the new word that you added, MCMK. Enter. See, now you can log in. Let me log in. Okay, we have to use the code again. Let's see, the new code is 578852. The login is confirmed. So that's all. Your website is now protected using the security based protection we recommend for every client. Thank you so much.